So we need to write for the function like web break header, and we need to resolve that to 500 error because of some header is missing. Because of that, we are getting as a 500 internal server error. So that is for the web header. Next one will be web custom request, one of the web function, web custom request. We are not seen right anywhere web custom request as of now. So in recording options only, we have the recording modes. Two modes will be there. What are those modes? URL mode and HTML mode. Everyone able to see?
Yes.
See, we have the HTML mode is there, URL mode is there. So HTML mode, when we select the HTML mode, what we can recording web URL function and web submit data. Maybe you can switch as a URL mode. We'll see what is the function which will be there. It is a generate as a web custom request. Okay, you can check this and click on OK. Then you can record the script. It is a generate as a web custom request. So when we can switch web custom request and web URL mode or HTML mode means, see if it is some difference will be there, HTML mode and URL mode. Your HTML mode means will record only for the user actions only. But when we record a URL based script, it will record the user actions along with the server side resource also it will record it. That is why what is difference between HTML URL mode means, when we record the HTML mode, we will record only user actions. But URL mode, we can record the user actions along with the server side. And when we record the HTML base, you'll get the less number of correlation values. When we are record the URL mode, we'll get for the use number of correlation values, like dynamic values will be, because of not only user actions, along with the user actions, along with the server side resource also it is recording. That is why we are getting for the number of dynamic values. So when we are switching to HTML mode, URL mode means, for example, my application will be there. In that application, for example, some departure will be there. In the departures, we have the how many values there? 20 values there. But it is sometimes what will happen means, the drop down morning will be 20 values is there, and afternoon we'll see 25 values will be added. And after that, evening will be 30 values will be there. Means it is a dynamically changing that pages. So at that time, we can switch for the URL mode. If it is some dynamic pages will be happen, then we are moving to the which mode? URL mode. So when we record the URL mode, it will generate as a web URL mode, and it is generate as a web custom request. This is for the web custom request. These are the for web functions. And we have the some C functions also is there. So C functions nothing but I will open Notepad just for your understanding purpose. So some C functions will be strcpy. What is that? strcpy. These are all will be interview point of only, and this is the C function. Means copy one string to another string we can use for the strcpy. What we can do? Copy one string to another string. So then we can use for the str. What is the syntax of this? Means we need to write for the some char nothing but character, and we are giving for the like assign as a hi, and we need to give for the some characters, means 10 characters. It is a occupy. And what is the syntax of this strcpy? Means we need to write for the strcpy, means we are copy the string value. So our value will be high, hi will be the character. And for this we need to save as a 747. Okay, so this is the syntax, means strcpy means what is that? Copy one string to another. So already the string value will be high, though that value we are saving in 747 to copy to the high to 747. And we have the one more thing, strcmp is there. We need to compare two strings, then we can use for the strcmp. And string concatenation is a is there str cat string length will be there. We need to capture string length, str length, return the length of the string. And we are the string tokenizer is there. strtok means tokenizer the string and based on delimiter, means some value is there. I mean India will be there. So we need to split into I am and India. That is everyone will be one letter. We need to split, means using for the string tokenizer functionality. We need to split using for the delimiter. So str and cpy is there, copy and numbers from characters to another. So these are will be C functions. Okay. And same to some operations, f open is there, means open a new existing file, means we need to use for the f open. F writes means write on a unformatted data files. F printf means we have the C is there, right? See what is that function? Printf is there, means it will display the message. So same thing we need to write for here will be f printf. We need to close the file, means we can use for the f close, means file close. So these are will be syntax only, just for our interview point of view. If anyone asks for the what are the web functions, what are the LR functions, means what are the for the, you can tell for the 4 to 5 curve. And if you can ask for the what is this, means you can tell for this and with the syntax. It's fine.
Yes.
So these are for the our LR and web functions. Tomorrow we can go with the like verification point. What is the verification point? Web break find, web image checkpoints. We need to do for that web and image checkpoint, and we need to start our scripting only. We can do for that validation, how we can validate and everything we can discuss tomorrow. And today's assignment is up to now is like POC and components and parameterization, sequential each iteration, and everything in parameterization properties and types and correlation. What is correlation? What are the types of correlation, and how we can do the process of correlation, and what same to the what are the arguments in our correlation, and what are the scripting challenges, like we are already discussed, right? Scripting challenges. Apart from this, what are the web functions, what are the LR functions, everything will be tomorrow interview section. Along with this, you need to do for the scripting. I will give for the scenario. I will opening 1 minute.
క్లాస్ అయిపోవాలి. నువ్వు ఎంత బక్కగా గుండె వేసుకున్నావు, నువ్వు చూసుకోపో. నువ్వు ఒకసారి అద్దంలో చూసుకోపో, నువ్వు ఎట్లున్నావు. అద్దులు తిరగాడు నెట్టయింది. మా క్లాస్ అయిపోయి, క్లాస్ అయిపోతే నేనే ఏంటి పాస్వర్డ్ ఏంటి దాని
So see what is that our
ఏం పాస్వర్డ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఉంటుంది కంట్రోల్ పాస్వర్డ్ పిన్ పాస్వర్డ్
see this is our URL, right? You need to do further script to record. You need to click on login, and after that click on login
డాడీకి
and
చెప్తా
book the flight.
రాసింది లేదని చెప్తా
This is the assignment, and after that select anything, click on this and select flight and enter payment details and book is completed, right? You can book another ticket. See, our business flow is be different. I'm telling for now. You can do for this script also. Book another ticket and select London. I think already we done, right? This one.
Yeah, yesterday you have given Sriram.
Anyone done or not?
Yeah, completed Sriram, that one.
What about Ashwani?
Completed, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
It is working fine, huh?
Working.
Okay, so I think today some Praveen Reddy and Swat, these are not there, right? So that is why I'm showing again. So again, you can book the flight and select flight, and again, this is the business flow. You guys can record and do it, and enter the details, and booking is completed, right? You can go to the next is the itinerary, and you can see the tickets will be there. You need to delete the tickets. Tickets only, you can keep only one ticket, and you can delete all the tickets and cancel ticket, and after that sign off. So
okay.
This is the steps to record the Praveen Reddy and Swati and Krishna. Krishna, you done? I think he left. No. We have the Blazzy demo also, right? For that, I didn't see that one. You were able to log in Blazzy demo? Anyone? Praveen?
No. Login is not possible, sir. Getting an error on that page.
Okay. I think here itinerary also is not there, I think.
Direct go to register.
Today, one more thing you guys can do, record with Flipkart with your credentials, and after that select any one of the product, and after that you can add to cart. So these are everything will be on transactions. See, launch, login, and after that select product, and after that add to cart, and after that go to the cart and open that one, and enter for the details of the credit card, whatever maybe is a dummy, and what can you do next? Log off. So this thing you can record and try in Flipkart or Amazon. Anything is fine.
Okay.
Okay, Shekhar?
Yeah, Sriram.
So enhancements, what we can do? Scripting enhancements, nothing but we can do for the parameterization and correlation and same to the transaction names. As of now, we can do for that only. Okay.
Okay.
So please do for carefully, and tomorrow interview section also will be there. I given 2 assignments for you who are completed yesterday. That is good for Ashwini and Shekhar, and Swati you can do for today that itinerary, and along with the Flipkart also.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine, right?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
But if we give dummy values, it will not taken, right?
Where?
In Flipkart or Amazon, whatever
No,
it
no,
is.
no need to book the. We don't just go to the in booking page. I can enter for the any of the details. Click on invalid details. It will come, right. You can enter anything. Then after
Okay,
that
I'll
you
try.
can just sign off only. No need to book anything.
Okay, I'll try. If I get any error, I'll contact you.
Sorry.
If I get any error, I'll contact you.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, we it is asked, right, for credit card details or any details it will ask,
Yes,
right?
yes.
You can enter for invalid
Yes.
details and click on, then it is asking as the invalid details. Then after that you can click on sign off.
Okay. Okay.
So as same
Okay.
to I need for the Flipkart create for the 10 user data.
Okay.
Sign up
Okay.
and do in sign up and use in our script and run with the script will work with multiple user point of view also. So today onwards we are going with the single user point of view. We are done, right? Now you guys can work with a multiple user point of also. If it is script working with the single user, then you can use for the multi-user data. You can keep in Notepad. You can keep in our parameter properties, and you can run with the 3 iteration. Then it is working 3 iteration. The script will work in how many iteration you want. It means you can run with the 100 users also. It will work. This is our challenge. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, then good. We are good to close, right? Or anyone have any doubts?
Hello, Sriram.
Yeah. Okay, bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Please prepare very well.